श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। वेलकम टू वेद जननी नारायणीयम दशकम 16 दक्ष चरित्र and नर नारायण अवतारः. Dashaka 16 will be chanted in Vrittam Vasanta Tilakam. Shloka 1. Brahma's son Daksha married Prasuti, who is the daughter of Swayambhuva Manu. They had 16 daughters, of whom 13 were given away to Dharmadeva, and Swada was given to the forefathers Pitru, and Swaha was given to Agni, the god of fire, and Sati was given to Girisha, the Shiva, who was only one aspect of your own self, Madhava. Daksho virincha tanayota manostanujam labdhva prasuti miha shodasha chapakanyam dharme trayodasha dadau pitrushu swadham cha swaham havirbhuji sati girishe twadamshe. Daksho virincha tanayotha manostanujam labdhva prasuti miha shodasha chapakanyam dharme trayodasha dadau pitrushu swadham cha swaham havirbhuji sati girishe twadamshe. Shloka 2. Hey Vishnumurti, one of the wives of Dharma Devata gave birth to you as Narayana, a glorious praised son, who cultivated deep intimacy with Nara, the twin brother. The gods in the heavens rejoiced at this birth. They sang to the background musical instruments and praised your greatness in admiration and showered heaps of flowers. Murtir hi dharma grihini sushuve bhavantam narayanam narasakham mahitanubhavam yajjanmani pramudita kritaturya ghoshaha पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर् नुनुवुः सुरौघाः मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तं नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावम् यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिता कृततूर्यघोषाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर् नुनुवुः सुरौघाः. Shloka 3. Hey Krishna, the Ashura known as Sahasra Kavacha had 1,000 coats of armor. You and Nara performed tapas and engaged yourselves in battle simultaneously but by turn, one at a time, alternatively for 1,000 years. This strategy tore 1,000 layers of armor shielding the demon Sahasra Kavacha, leaving only one layer which made it a child play for you to break and kill him, Narayana. Daityam Sahasra Kavacham Kavachaipparitam Sahatsravatsara tapasamarabhilavyaihi Paryaya nirmita tapasamarau bhavantau Shishtaika kankatamamum nyahatam salilam Daityam Sahasra Kavacham Kavachaipparitam साहस्रवत्सर तपः समराभिलव्यैः पर्याय निर्मित तपः समरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम्. Shloka 4. Hey Guruvayurappa, you and your twin brother resided in Badarikashrama, leading and teaching the path of righteous duties to attain liberation. Then Sakra the Indra became jealous of your powers of self-control, a power generated in you by tapas. He instigated Manmadha, the god of love, and sent celestial beauties to cause your downfall by temptations and distractions, Krishna. Anvacharan ubadishannapi moksha dharmam tvam bhratruman badarikashrama madhyavatsihi शक्रोथते शमतपो बलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्यांगना परिवृतं प्रजिगायमारम्. अन्वाचरन् उपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं त्वं भ्रातृमान् बदरिकाश्रममध्यवात्सिः शक्रोतते शमतपो बलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्यांगना परिवृतं प्रजिघायमारम्. Shloka 5. Hey Madhava, Manmadha, accompanied by spring season and the Malaya breeze, tried to attack you many times by the arrows consisting of the damsel's sidelong glances and their dance movements. Finding everything unaffected on you, Krishna, they were frightened. You then smilingly spoke to them. Kamo vasanta malaya nilabandhushale कांता कटाक्ष विशिकै विकसद्विलासैः विद्युन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयाथ जगदे मृदुहासभाजाम्. कामो वसन्तमलया नीलबन्धुशाली कांता कटाक्ष विशिकै विकसद्विलासैः विद्युन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयाथ जगदे मृदुहासभाजाम्. Shloka 6. Hey Narayana, you told Manmadha and others who were standing around you, struck with wonder and praising you. Hey Kamadeva, Spring and the damsels, do not fear. Look at these products of my mind. So saying, you revealed to them the beautiful maids attending on you. Bhidyalamangaja vasanta suranganavo मन्मानसं द्विहजुषद्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवताम् अतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारकगातराक्षीः भीत्यालमङ्गजवसन्तसुराङ्गणावो मन्मानसं त्विह जुषद्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवताम् अतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारकगातराक्षीः. Shloka 7. Hey Narayana, Kamadeva and others who had come to overpower you were themselves captivated by your maid's fragrance. Then they feelingly ashamed accepted Urvashi, who was given by you and who humbled the pride of all the celestial damsels. सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलैः किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वया च जगृहुर्त्रभयैव सर्वस्वर्वासि गर्वशमनिं पुनरूर्वशीं ताम् सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलैः किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वया च जगृहुर्त्रभयैव सर्वस्वर्वासि गर्वशमनिं पुनरूर्वशीं ताम्. Shloka 8. Hey Krishna, Indra, on seeing Urvasi and hearing about your glorious story, became shameful and repented for his conduct. This incarnation of yours as Naranarayana, which is so gentle and beautiful, is excelled only by your incarnation as Krishna. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोऽधिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोऽधिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव. Shloka 9. Hey Guruvayurappa, Daksha was blinded by his own pride and lost his balance and became a victim of undesirable qualities arising from Rajasic Guna. He lost his sense of respect to you also. To demonstrate this anger at you, he insulted his own daughter, Sati, the wife of Shiva, by not inviting both of them to a yajna conducted by him, where Shiva, who is you, alone in another form. Dakshastu datur atilalanaya rajandho natyadrutashtvayi cha kashtama shantirasit येन व्यरुन्धसभवत्तनुमेव शर्वं यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने स्वसुतां व्यमानेत दक्षस्तु दातुरतिलालनया रजोन्धो नात्याधृतस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तिरासीत् येन व्यरुन्धसभवत्तनुमेव शर्वं यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने स्वसुतां व्यमानेत. Shloka 10. Shiva, who was angry with this action of Daksha, he blew out Daksha's yajna and cut his head off. Then Shiva was pacified by the gods, and at their request, you revived Daksha, who, with your grace, completed the yajna successfully and attained the peace. Hey Guruvayurappa, you only have to extend protection to me. कृद्धेशमर्दितमखः सतु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादथ लब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश कृद्धेशमर्दितमखः सतु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादथ लब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितकृतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.